If we want to edit this logo over here, we have to go either over here to edit with Elementor header or our website, dashboard, templates, theme builder, header, and over here we click on edit. Then we are inside Elementor. Now we can edit the logo. By simply clicking on it, we can see that it's the site logo widget. We can see the logo over here. We can click over here to change site logo. Now we have to click over here to choose an image. We have to do the same for the favicon. The favicon will be the icon that you see in the browser tab. And then we simply have to click on Save Changes. And click on Back to Editor. Now we can see the change over here. By clicking again on the widget, on the site logo widget, we have image resolution from over here and the link to site URL. By going to Style, we have alignment, the width, maximum width, height, object fit, object position, then we have opacity, some CSS filter if you want to, border type if you want to, color from over here, global colors or custom ones, like so, border radius. If we are clicking over here on this icon, we are unlinking the values so we can customize them individually, like so. And we also have box shadow. We have the color from over here, horizontal distance, vertical distance, blur, and spread. Let's click on this icon to go back to default. Let's click on this icon for CSS filter to go back to default as well. Then we also have some advanced settings over here. If we want to change the color that we see behind our logo for this container, we simply have to click over here to edit the container. Then we see that the width of the container is set to 8%. We can change this like so. By going to Style, we have the background options over here. So we have the background type as classic, as a solid color from over here. We can change it with global colors like so, or with custom ones from over here, like so. We could also add an image as a background if we want to, like so. And then we would have the image options over here. Let's click on this trash bin to delete the image. We can also have a gradient if we want to, like so. And then we can change the colors from over here, the location of each color, the type linear or radial, and the position, like so. When we are happy with our changes, we simply have to click over here to publish.